Hey Felix, Ali here with NYC Marketers. I spoke to you today briefly and I told you I'll send you a video regarding a short video. So in this video, I'm going to show you three things you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. And if at the end of this video you like what you saw, give me a call. My information is in my email signature and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So without further ado, let's continue. So the three things I want to talk to you about today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first, as you see, I'm on your homepage. I like your website. It's a well-made website. Looks good. Everything is spaced out. What content I want to talk to you about is you want to make sure on your first homepage you want to have at least 1,500 words or more. So as I'm scrolling down, I see you can definitely use more words. This is just how Google ranks websites, and that's just like their golden standard. So just make sure you got 1,500 or more words content on your first home page. Secondly, let me just take you to Google right here. So I just did a quick little search. I wrote moving companies NYC just as a normal person would do, and I'll just explain how this format works for businesses. The first thing they show you is these green check marks. This is called Google Guaranteed. This is a pretty relatively new thing they launched, and it's working out great for a lot of businesses. This basically guarantees that Google has verified the existence of your company, and it's a paid service, but it's right on top. It's a Google guarantee, so people trust it, and it gives really, really good leads. And after this, we go down to the traditional Google ads. I see you guys are using the Google ads right there. A lot of people use them, and they work great if they're placed well. If not, it just takes a lot of money. And a lot of people in 2020 got like ad blockers, which completely blocks out this section. And a lot of people, because of bad experiences in the past, they completely skip this section. So I hope these are working great for you though. Next, we go down to the map pack. This is a big thing. A company wants to be here. So this shows the top three. And what's great about this, it tells the customers immediately. If they're local, they see the address right there, the phone number, they see the hours of operation, they see the address, they see a bunch of reviews. It's great to get your company to the map pack. There's many ways a person can do that. After that, we go into different directories, which would be your Yelp, your Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook stores, and all that. And that's going to be my second thing I told you about today. So we did content. The second thing I told you was going to be citations. So a citation is anywhere you can put your business information, your business name, phone number, address. Anywhere on the web you can put, it's going to be a citation for you. So like the big ones are Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, White Pages, a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them. And after that, we get into the organic traffic, organic websites that have come on the first page organically through all the little tips and techniques. So we see these guys right here, Roadway. They're almost like number one on Google, and they're also right here on the map pack. So just for comparison purposes, I'll take you to their website. This is what their whole page looks like, Roadway Moving. So it's pretty good, pretty simple, vibrant colors, and as you can see, they have content and it's spaced out, so it's easy for the readers to read it all out. A lot of good quality pictures, all content. I'm just scrolling all the way down. A lot of content they got here. And next, I'm going to show you a tool called Ahrefs that we use. It's not 100% accurate, but it's pretty good. It gives a lot of great value. It shows exactly how companies are stacking up with their competitors. So I told you two things. I told you about citation and content. Third thing I told you was going to be about backlinks. A backlink is basically any website which links to your website, which refers a link to your website. So not all backlinks are created equally, but as you can see right here, you got 301 domains referring to you, giving you about 2,000 backlinks, in return giving you 7,000 keywords, in return getting you about 4,000 organic traffic per month. And you see this PPC right here. This is most likely your advertising in Google that you paid for. So just for context, we'll compare these stats to the Roadway Mover guys. Here we go. This is their stats. So as you can see, they got a bit more of everything. And they've got about 1,300 referring domains, giving them about 4,000 backlinks, giving them about 4,000 organic keywords, bringing them a lot more traffic, about 9,000 people per month. But the big difference, you see, they don't have any advertisements and they're still getting great numbers here. So for you guys, the plan that I see right in my head, it's pretty doable. Let's go back on yours. So this is yours back in comparison. It's definitely very doable and they're beatable where you guys already rank. It's just a lot of small tips and techniques. We'll go back right here. So that's pretty much what I had for you today. And I hope this video has been educational for you. And if you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help you grow your business and get you a lot more customers online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. These are free tips for you, and I hope you enjoy them. But I would like if you could please give me feedback on this video and how I did. So with that, I thank you and have a great day.